Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Love Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have my 7 chakras mantra box that came in the mail today. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so it's no secret that I absolutely love makeup. But what a lot of you guys don't know if you're not subscribed to my channel is I absolutely love crystals probably just as much. I have a huge crystal collection, from the actual crystals to crystals jewelry. Like, I love it all. So I decided one day to start buying makeup, not makeups, I'm sorry. I'm used to saying makeup because majority of my channel is makeup. Crystal subscription boxes, because when I would go to crystal stores, I would spend like $300 a pop in like one visit, which, you know, wasn't practical. So I decided, what can I do to save some money with my crystals? And I thought, I save money when I buy my makeup subscription boxes. So is that the same thing when I do get like my crystal subscription boxes? And I definitely think I do get my bang for my buck when I do these boxes. So I'm gonna share this box with you. This is my second box. The first box was only $9.99, but I feel like I got robbed because the shipping was like $8 something, which makes it out to be like the same price as what the box was gonna be. But rather than that, if you subscribe to the subscription box, it's $39.97 a month, and you get to like 6 to 8 crystal jewelry pieces. All right. So if you like things like this, I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It'll be greatly appreciated. All right, let's see what we got. So you get a little card on the top, and then you get all these cool things to try. So let's see what we got this time around. So I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I was a little salty when I got my last box because it was $9.99, but then the shipping was the same price practically as a box. But, you know, I said, let me give this box another try. I did like everything that I got in the box too. So I got some pretty cool stuff in that box. If you want to see what I got in that box, I'll link that video down below in the description. But this is the card that we get. And then as always on the back, it tells you what you get in the box. Alrighty, so this is what's calling to me, this lovely piece. It looks like a lotus flower, but let's see if I'm correct. So yes, it says K9 Crystal Blue Lotus Flower. And it says this lotus flower is made with the highest quality glass known as K9 Crystal. It says this lotus flower represents the beauty and purity of the heart and spirit. They are growing through the mud and into the light. The blue color represents wealth, growth, communication, and abundance. Place this powerful lotus flower in your home in a sunny place to attract positivity and joy into your life. Loves this. And I'm so sorry, I'm so rude, I didn't read what was on the card. It says mantra of the month. Mani Padme Hum. Hope I said that right there. It says pronounce, now it tells you how to pronounce it, but I'm not butchering that again. So translating to, I bow to the jewel and the lotus flower of the heart. The ancient Sanskrit mantra is said to purify the mind, calm fears, and cultivate inner wisdom. Use the Mani Padme Hum mantra when you need clarity, calm, or a dose of intentional self-compassion. Well, alrighty then. Alrighty, so first item. Oh, rose quartz. But I forgot what they call these. Oh, the tower, rose quartz crystal tower. I have one of these already. Actually, I think for my Mindful Soul subscription box. But it says, a crystal of universe and unconditional love. This rose quartz radiates warm femininity, energy direct into your spirit that fosters deep inner peace, restores trust, and opens the heart at all levels. Hold close during meditation on affirmations. Place upright on your vanity, office desk, or bedside stool. You'll benefit from the purifying and healing energy. Loves that. Alrighty, next thing, it feels like jewelry, I want to say, or a crystal. Oh, I feel like they have a lot of stuff that you get in Mindful Souls, because I definitely got a necklace like this from Mindful Souls. So somebody's copying somebody, because looks just like what I got. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna get it. Hold on. Alright, so I'm back. This is the one that I got from Mindful Souls. Crystal subscription box. This is the one that I got now. So it's definitely the same like crystal, but not 100% the same. But I also want to show you guys, I forgot which one was the one I just got. Was it this one or this one? I went and grabbed, I think this is the one that I just got now. And this is the one that I got from Mindful Souls. I don't remember. I'll see when I'm filming it. When I'm editing this video, I'll know which one was which. But they're similar but not similar. So they do give similar pieces. So I feel like if you have one, you don't need to have both boxes, because their stuff is very, very similar. In my last box, they gave like a dream catcher, which I got one in Mindful Souls. That one was orange and the one they gave me was blue. So it's like, I'm kind of getting doubles of the same stuff. It may be bigger or smaller, but it's still like the same thing. So if I have one, I don't need the other. But this is the one that I got this time. I mean, I like that this one is bigger, because go big or go home, right? But let's see what it says. This is a raw fluorite crystal necklace, an energy radiator for meditation and visualization. This fluorite necklace absorbs and neutralizes negative energy while promoting spiritual awakening and boosting intuition. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty. Let's see what's in this bag. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. This is obsidian. Obsidian sacred geometry necklace. This is beautiful. I love this, guys. Love this. Everybody needs a little obsidian in their life. Black obsidian is known to be a protective stone which blocks physical attacks and absorbs negative energy from the surrounding environment. It helps to release stress and tension from the body, mind, and spirit. Opens new horizons and help you explore the unknown. It's perfect if you're trying something new in your life. Loves it. Oh, another sticker. It says medicated but crossed out and meditated. I like that. That's cute. Okay, so this is the next thing I got here. It says this is Relax Natural Therapeutic Grade Essential Oil Blend. I love essential oils. I have a what do you call it? Where you put your essential oils in it, and is it like an air humidifier? No, it's not an air humidifier. Oh, it's called a diffuser. I can never remember the name. I got the dropsies. Alright, so let's see how it smells. Comes in a little thing like that. I love that it's like in a protective little case. So 100% pure and natural. Relax Serenity Blend. I can definitely smell the lavender. Like that's one of the top notes in here. It says a natural embrace of aromatherapeutic ingredients that keep your senses afloat and inspire a calmer, well-balanced, and positive you. Its balance infuse tranquility into your daily life. It says source is from 100% pure and natural ingredients only. This spa-grade synergy blend helps you ease tension and ward off negativity the natural way. I loves it. Next little baggie here. Oh, this is pretty. This is a 7-chakra essential oil diffuser bracelet. So these are like the lava beads that you can put the essential oils on, so you can smell it throughout the day. So I guess they gave this with this because you can put it on the beads, and then it stays on the beads. You can smell it. Very strong, very strong. So you put them on the beads, and then you can smell it throughout the day. I mean, although that would be weird, like you just smelling your arm all day. But like people who like crystals, they'll know what the person's doing. But it smells nice. Alright. So it says the 7 chakra diffuser bracelet with red agate, amber, tiger's eye, green king stone, turquoise, and lapis lazuli, and amethyst. It says will help you meditate practices, balancing the mental, spiritual, emotional, and physical body. The rest of this wonderful bracelet is made of lava, a porous stone that absorbs and diffuses oils. Use along with including relaxed oil or another essential oil of your choice for maximum effect. So I do love that. What I know from this box, like my last box, they gave me like the little cones, like what do you call it, incense cones, and then they gave me a cool like incense waterfall thing. So they kind of paired things together because I got like the essential oil, but then I got this bracelet that I could put it on. So that's kind of cool because sometimes you get this but you don't have that, and you know, vice versa. So loves it. So that's everything from my little pouches here, and I'm super excited to try my stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this box because it's a little costly, and I do a lot of subscription boxes on my channel, you know, so I don't know. But I mean, I do like the items. The items were cool. They were very nice, and I definitely will enjoy all the pieces that I got from the subscription box. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys thought about this box in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and being so supportive. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. And that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.